welcome to the mess. This place is getting fuller and fuller, but today's video is going to be all about Biltwell LaneSplitter. All that clay for the Ducati project is there, and the Ducati project is mid being done there, but today we're going to concentrate on this because it is needed in September. This helmet is going to be with the Dime City Cycles CX500 tracker build, so this needs to be in the same colours. So today's job is to pretty much get this painted. Well, it's going to be more than a day, I think, obviously with it drying and everything like that, drying times and whatnot. So today, at least, what I'm going to do is get it prepped up and primed, and this video will probably be it being painted in one go, but it will be, yeah, you know what I mean. Let's get it prepped up. But I'm going to do it in the house, obviously because there's more room. I've got my carbs down there and everything, so let's get it in the house. Here we have a Biltwell LaneSplitter with, in fact, let's put it here. with the actual CX500 itself. So what we've done here is just a nice little lightning bolt going down, which matches that lightning bolt going through there. It needs a bit of a polish, obviously, but it's there. So that is it. Again, thank you to Biltwell for that. Goes perfectly with the CX500. So only one more thing to do with this is to actually wear it for a test drive as well. See how it actually goes as a combo as well. So that is all from me. Until next week, ride safe, stay safe, and I will catch you in next week's episode.